Good evening to all. The first one is conversion mechanism. Here it says that write an equivalent for loop for the following while loop. Here is a while loop. For this we need equivalent for loop. So quickly, as I said initially, we have to answer quickly. Quickly we have to give the answer because a lot of questions has to be discussed. So your answer must be as quick as possible. Make your answer as quick as possible. Whatever I said that you will check the dry run mechanism of while loop. You have to check the dry run mechanism of for loop. Accordingly, you have to make the necessary conversion. So based on that, just write down the statements. Only we have to consider the initialization, condition, then updation part in proper manner. Keep that into your mind. Do this. Quick. Yes, who has given? Ayushman Sahu given first. I think Ayushman Sahu from 9th. Just give me your confirmation. For INT, n is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5. Yes, it is. N is greater than 10. Okay. Then curly bracket begin n by 10. Then print n modulo 10. Here also print. Here also print. Okay. Pravanjan n is equal to greater than. Okay. Pravanjan part 2 display. Try to give it in the same line. Don't press enter key. If you will press enter key, it will just go out of your hand. Pragjyoti, Vishal, I don't think it is possible the way you have given. Rajesh, I don't think your answer will also work. Just check it out. Rajesh, check your answer. Pragjyoti, correct. Vaishali, correct. Ansita deleted the answer. Swagat, correct answer. Nalini, not correct answer. Sitaram, I think it is going to hang now. I will check in this PC. Rajesh Kumar, your answer is wrong because n by 2 is done before printing. Rightly pointed out. Nalini, it is wrong. Soham, correct answer. Jaydev, wrong answer. May I know your complete name and class, Jaydev? Wrong answer. Pravanjan, partial answer given. Acha, last time you have given for loop. It's correct. Sir, n initial value I have given 124, not 1245. Let me check again. Where is Rajesh answer? Rajesh, can you send it again? Got it, your answer. 124 you have given. Okay. Divided by 10 will give 124. Then remainder will be 4. You have taken directly 124, which is greater than 10. Yes, 124. Next, Nalini, print and Nalini, first of all, your loop itself is wrong. Sir Jaydev is of class 9. He is a new student. Acha. New student of 9th people. Okay, got it. I have given half answer. Now that first part is also wrong, Nalini. First part is wrong. 1245 greater than 10. Okay, one silly mistake made by Anushka Parida. Answer is correct. One silly mistake made. Who can identify one small silly mistake? Okay, look at over here. For loop, initialization, which is optional, condition, which is optional, updation, which is optional. But semicolon has to there to separate between initialization and condition. And we know that loop can execute only one statement. So this is the body of the loop. If I want to execute more than one statement, it has to be enclosed within curly bracket. Bishwa Prakash. Still you are performing well, Bishwa. Excellent. Excellent. Correct answer, Bishwa. Ayusman, missing semicolon in the for loop after the condition. Good. Updation is not mandatory in case of for loop, but semicolon must be given. Good. Good explanation. Okay. So according to that, if I will start the number with 145, then n is greater than 10 is the condition. N by 10 has to be inside the body, because here first it is changing the value of n, then it is displaying the remainder. So the number is reduced to 124. N by 10 will reduce to 124. Hence the remainder will be 4 in this case. But if I will put this updation over here, in that case what we will do, n is 120, 1245 and n modulo 10. If I will put it inside the for loop, then it will execute this one. If it will execute this one, it will give me 5, because the unit digit is 5. Hence it is going to be wrong. Is it clear? Got it? So, but one silly mistake is available over here. Who can identify what should be done? Who can tell me one thing is missing over here? What is that? In this for loop, one thing is missing. What is that? Sir, scope. Okay, Ayusman says scope. Curly bracket. Exactly. Why we need curly bracket? Why curly bracket is required? May I know your original name? Anuj Kumar. I think you are first time attending this class. Loop can execute only one statement and we need both the statements, hence curly bracket is required. Okay. Next, it is asking about output. How many times the loop will iterate? Number one question. Number two, what will be the output? By the loop can, yes, as loop can execute only one statement. Good. Because for loop execute only one statement. These are, whatever reason I'm asking, these are the candidate question for your assertion and reasoning. So be careful about this. Whatever explanation I'm giving, that is for assertion and reasoning. Okay, we are moving towards the next question. How many times the loop will iterate? Number two, what will be the output of this following loop? As I said that you have to perform quickly this time. Yes, only one statement it can execute. Agree with you. For loop can execute only one statement. Here two statements are there. Therefore, curly bracket is needed. That is what called study beta Biswa. Still, pass out 10 student is giving perfect answer. Okay, yet I have not received one time and output will be 1. Rajesh says that 109 3 times. Question number 2, how many times the loop will iterate? Rajesh, 109 times the loop will iterate. Check your answer, Rajesh. And number 3 answer, what will be the output? Output is 3 times. Rajesh, check your answer. The loop will execute only once. Okay. Again, you have given your answer, Rajesh. Question 2 says that how many times the loop will iterate? Your answer is the loop will iterate 109 times. Check before sending your answer. Ansita, output will be 1. One time execution. Boy baby, one time it will execute and output will be 1. 3 times. Vishal says 3 times. What will be the output, Vishal? 1098 is the output. Sahil Kaushik, Ayusman 3 times. Output will be 109. Anushka 1, or there is no updation. Acha. Viswa 3 times, output will be 109. Vaishali 3 times 109. Sir, I have sent, please check. Output is 1098. It will execute 4 times. Okay. Okay, Swagat, got it. 109 is the output. 3 times 109. Okay. If everyone has given 3 times and output is 1098. Rajesh 3 times 109. Sir, I have altered. Okay. Got it. If everyone has given the answer, we'll move towards the answer. Answer, it will execute 4 times. Next, answer will be 1098. Everyone has given 109. 109. What about 8? Let's see. Okay. Look at this. If the statement is jumping, look at over here. If the statement is jumping, that means this statement is executed. NO initial value is 12. So here NO initial value is 12. Now while loop is executing, NO is greater than 8. Condition is true. NO is less than 15. Condition is true. If both the condition is true, result is true. Hence it will get into the body of the loop where updation has to be done first. That is minus NO. We'll make it 11. Next, 11 modulo 10. Remainder is 11 modulo 10. Remainder is 1. Now the whole output will be 1. Hence print statement will display 1. Hope I am clear to everyone with the first one. Understood the first part. Next, again it will check after this one, after updation. Let me clear this. After body part, it will execute the condition again. So let's go for the condition. What is the NO value now? 11. 11 is greater than 8. Condition true. 11 is less than 15. Condition true. Hence both the condition is true. Result is true. It will get into the body where minus NO will be done first. Hence it is 10. Now 10 modulo 10. Here I am displaying 10 modulo 10. Remainder is 0. Then it will display the remainder, that is 0. So output next is 1 0. First time it is 1. First time it was 1. Now it is 0. After this again the condition will be checked. NO value is 10. 10 greater than 8. Condition true. 10 less than 15. Condition is true. Hence both the condition is true and operator result is true. It will execute the body of the loop where minus NO will be done. I am clearing this one. So it will become 9 now. 9 modulo 10. Remainder is 9. Hence the result of this expression is 9. It will display 9. After that, what? It will check the condition again. Next time NO value is 9. 9 is greater than 8. Condition true. 9 is less than 15. Condition is true. Both the condition is true. Hence final result is true. Now it will execute the body of the loop where minus NO. Minus NO will make it 8 now. 8 modulo 10. 8 modulo 10. Remainder is 8. Now it will display 8. After that, NO value is 8. 8 greater than 8. It is false. Hence, I will come out of this loop. Now check how many times it is executed. One time, second time, third time, and fourth time. Understood, everyone? I think only one candidate has given the correct answer. That is, I think, Swagat, who has told that 4 times. And let me check. Everyone has given 3 times, 3 times, 3 times. Only I think Swagat has given 4 times. Yes, correct. Swagat has given 1098 and 4 times. Rest nobody has given. Nobody. Everyone tells 3 times. So I should give appreciation. Sir, also have given the correct answer. Sahil. Let me check, Sahil, your answer. I think I might have not observed your answer. Let me check. Others can check Sahil answer. Sahil 1098. And yes, I got Sahil 1098. That loop will execute 4 times. Yes, yes, I missed out. I had missed the updation is done in the body of the loop. Okay, Rajesh. But that 1 mark will matter a lot. You can ask your friend who is available Biswo, 10th class, pass out. How it is painful. The student who has got 98 or 99. Okay. Let's move. Both the loop will give the same output, true or false. Here we have 2 loops. It says that both the loop will give same output. So you have to tell me if both the loop will give same output, answer is true. If both the loop will give different output, answer is false. Understood the question? If both the students, don't say thanks to me, because of your effort only you are getting the appreciation. Because of your dedication, your interest in the subject, I could able to do so for you. Everyone can do like that only. Only your dedication is required. I am always available to everyone when you need any sort of explanation. Okay, start as quick as possible. 1 mark is painful in board examination. Still I got 100. But that 1 mark is very scary to lose. Yes, I always scared for the students who is going to miss out 1 mark. You may feel pain about it. Even I feel pain about it. I am also feeling bad about it. Only one student will feel bad about it if he is getting 99 or 98. But the 1 year or 2 year effort of mine will be lost. मुझे कितना बुरा लगेगा आप सोचो. अगर आपको खराब लगेगा तो मुझे कितना खराब लगेगा, जो 1 साल आपके पीछे भागा है आपको 100 लाने के लिए. ओके, चलो बेटा क्विकली. Still few students, they don't feel that they should give like. 25 is to 21. 25 students are available and 21 likes are there. Ayushman Sahu say false. Yes, anyone else? Visyo, you can give some tips to my students. Give some tips to your juniors. True output is 1215. Arushi say false. Soham Prasad Biswai say false. If you are saying false, why don't you give the output of both? If both are not giving the same output, write down the output for this and write down the output for this and say it is false. If both are same, then why don't you give the output? Those who are saying false, that means they are getting different answer for first loop and the second loop. False. First one output is 121416. Second one is 121516. Okay. Got it. Next, Subhramsu. First output is 121517. Now Swagat and Subhramsu, can you see your answer is different? But both are saying it is false. 121516. Swagat and Subhramsu, look at this. Both of you have given the answer, but both answers are different and both are saying it is false. Swagat, can you check your answer? Swagat, can you check your answer? Your answer is false. So many candidates given it is false. I said if it is false, give me the output for this and give me the output for this to prove that you did the dry run properly. Send me your output, beta. Yes sir, mine wrong. Okay, Rajesh false. First output is 21517. I am surprised, Rajesh. 21517. And the second one is 121516. Rajesh, can you check how the first loop will give 2151? 51 कहाँ आ रहा है? बड़ा राजेश 51 कहाँ आएगा? 21 कहाँ आएगा? False. 121517. Second one is Swagat. Yes, Ayushman. Okay, correctly done. Look at this. I am doing the dry run. Everyone concentrate now. Everyone concentrate now. An initial value was 5. Pre-increment, hence it makes it 10. 10 is greater than 8. Condition is true. It will come to this side where pre-increment is there. It will make it 11. 11 less than 15. Condition is true. Though because both the condition is true, final result is true. It will get into the body of the loop where again we have pre-increment. Hence it will make it 12. Now after incrementing it, it will display 12. First part, I think everyone has understood. Sir, my answer got wrong. It will be false. It's okay, no problem. It only depends on the dry run. The more faster I can do the dry run, the more accurate I will be. You have to practice the dry run, that's all. Okay. After that, move up. Earlier value of NO was 12. Now pre-increment plus plus NO will make it 13. 13 is greater than 8. Condition is true. This side it will make plus plus NO, that is 14. 14 is less than 15, condition true. It will execute the body where updation will be done inside, that is 15. Now it will display 15. Again it will move to the condition part where pre-increment will make it 16. 16 greater than 8, condition true. 16 less than, sorry, pre-increment is there, 17. 17 less than 15. Now the condition is false. And I will come out of this loop, and after coming out of this loop, I am having a display statement where NO value is the last one, that is 17. So we got 17. Now this side will do NO initial value was 9. Pre-increment will make it NO plus plus, that is 10. 10 is less than 15, condition true. This side will make it pre-increment 11. 11 greater than 8, condition true. Both the condition is true, it will execute the body where plus plus n is given, which will make it 12. So it will display 12. Both are correct till now. After that, it will move up to n plus plus NO, which will make it 13. 13 is less than 15, condition true. This plus plus will make it 14. 14 greater than 8, condition true. It will come to this particular part, will make it 15. 15, because of this plus plus NO, 15 will display. So here we got 15. Till now both are same. But after this, there is a deviation, which is the special part that 9th class you can recall. Today I told you in the classroom, concentrate is a special case of AND operator. You can recall today I told. After this, again when I will move up, plus plus NO will make it 16. 16 less than 15, condition is false. If any one condition is false, then it will not execute this particular part. Hence, this plus plus is not executed. And because the loop is false, this statement is not executed. It will execute this one, where the last value of NO, updated value of NO was 16. So here it is getting 16. Understood? 9th class, can you recall today's class? I think Rajesh told this one while doing a dry run. I said concentrate on this. I think Rajesh or Swagat, who was doing the dry run today, and I said concentrate on this particular part. Acha, it was Rajesh. Okay. What will be the output of the following code? If this is the code, what will be my output? Intentionally, I had given that particular question to just check how many of you have remembered the dry run that we did in the morning. Nobody did this one yet. बड़ा कितनी बार ये लूप जाएगा बेटा, इतना टाइम क्यों लग रहा है? Okay, got the answer. 112, 124. 112. Pravanjan says 1. 112, 125. 112, 125. Arushi, output is 1. Yes, I can understand. 112, 125 will be the next line. because the limitation of typing in YouTube, this is happening. Got it? Pravanjan slash and backslash. Pravanjan, it is backslash. You have given forward slash. Arushi, अच्छा, initially you have given 1, then 12, then 125. ऐसा मत भेजो आरुषि, एक साथ टाइप करो, टाइप करके वहां पे जैसे सारे बच्चे भेज रहे हैं स्लैश एन. I think you are new to this live class, that's why this problem is happening to you. Just check it out how your friends are giving. Arushi, somebody is specifying ln for new line, somebody is specifying slash n for next line. Is it clear? Okay, correct answer given by everyone. Okay, look at over here how it is happening. C initial value was 3. Look at over here, C initial value was 3. 3 is greater than equals to 1. Condition true. It will get into the body. In this expression, it will execute this one first. So that's why math dot power 10 to the power minus C. This one, what will be the output? Listen my question. Math dot power 10 to the power C minus minus. What will be the answer? Math dot power 10 comma C minus minus. Answer. Ayushman, wrong answer. Ayushman, check your answer. Pravanjan, wrong answer. Pragjyoti, wrong answer. Swagat, wrong answer. Arushi, wrong answer. Subhramsu, correct answer. Subhramsu, correct answer. Just check it out why you are wrong, why Subhramsu is correct. Dixita, wrong. Shoham, just check the question. Okay, Swagat Kumar Hota, now it is correct. Vishwa Prakash, correct. Nalini, correct. Now it is correct. Pravanjan, check it out. I am not asking this one. I have given the question. According to that question, you have to answer. Okay. So here, NO value is 1257 divided by 10 to the power 3, which after executing this one, it will subtract the value of C, which will make it 2. Thereafter, it will evaluate this complete one, where we'll get 1. So print ln1, we'll get 1. After that, it will take the cursor to the next line. Then again, C value was 2. 2 is greater than equals to 1, condition true. Again, I will evaluate this one. Now 10 to the power 2, because C value is 2. Now 10 to the power 2 is 100. When I am dividing it with, then I will get the quotient as 100. Then C minus minus will make it 1. And here the output will be 12. After dividing, the quotient will be 12. Now it will display 12 with the next line. Next, 1 is greater than equals to 1. Because of this equals to, it is true. Next, I will evaluate this one. 10 to the 1 is 10. After dividing, I will subtract it to 0. Then the value is 125. Then display 125. Then next line. Then 0 is greater than equals to 1. It is false. Those who have not given the answer, for them, this is the explanation. Okay. Identify the error and write the correct code. Identify the error and write down the correct code, for which I have given a sample. Math.pow का एक sample दिया गया था आपको. If int will be given, then in that case we'll get 1000. Good. As int is used, the answer will be 1000, but without typecasting it will be 0.0. Good, Pragjyoti. This so good explanation. Sthiti, good explanation. Because math dot power return type is double. I'm surprised who is this candidate Akhil is giving correct answer. There should be a semicolon after the first initialization. There should be a semicolon after first initialization. Now he is asking that here we need a semicolon. Are you all agree with this? Subhranshu deleted. Okay. In initialization, int is not required for C. Good. Akhil joined today. Acha, got it, got it. Sir, I joined today. Yes, got it, Akhil. No, sir, not agree. And Vaisali says that in initialization, int is not required for C. Semicolon is present after for loop. That is an error. Pravanjan, left se error nikalo, left se. Always I used to say, find out the error from the left. Semicolon is present after the loop. No, not agree, Pravanjan. For int, no is equal to this one, c is equal to 0, no is greater than equals to 1, no is greater than is equal to, I think you have given twice, Rajesh. No is greater than equals to 1, no is greater than equals to 1. And you missed out, no divided by 10. Comma, print C. After the for loop, there can be a semicolon because it is known as delay loop. Good job, sir. Good job, Vishwa. Good answer. Sir, semicolon is there after the loop. That will make the loop do nothing loop. Good. Not do nothing. It is says that do nothing statement, the semicolon. Because C is a local since it is an empty loop. A semicolon is there. Okay. Semicolon in for loop. No, I am not agree with you. Nalini, not agree with you. Given an example related to this. You are in 10th class, Nalini. I have given an example to you like this. C is used outside its scope. Good. Okay. 9th class. I am just looking for the 9th class. How many 9th classes answering correctly? Sir, is the error there should not be int in the second initialization. Good. No is greater than equals to 1. Divide this SOPC Arushi in the second initialization. Data type is not required. Yes. Now I am convinced with your answer that we can have multiple initialization. This is called multiple initialization. In case of multiple initialization, data type is not required. Is available inside the loop. Hence, it is a local variable. I am underlining. It's a local variable declared inside the loop. Cannot be accessed outside the loop. Display statement. In display statement, I cannot use it because loop can execute only statement, and this is the statement it is executing, which is called do nothing statement. Understood, everyone? It might be buffering because of weather, beta. It is buffering might be because of weather. Sir, by mistake, I have sent half of the answer. Not an issue. Not an issue. Correction declare before the loop. You can take this variable outside this loop. Which of the following is not an infinite loop? Identify the loop which is not an infinite loop. Just do the dry run. I don't think dry run is required for this kind of loop. 7D, none of this. None of this. Which one of the following is not an infinite loop? इसमें से कौन सा infinite loop नहीं है? None of this. Okay. Okay, first of all, none of this. Option A, this one. This loop is an infinite loop or not? Ten is greater than 1, it is true. And because of this n plus plus, it is an infinite loop because it will always increase. It is always going to increase, hence it becomes an infinite loop. Understood everyone? What is my purpose? You have to tell me because of which reason it is an infinite loop. Look at this, I am telling you the first one, you will do rest of the thing. Because of n plus plus, it is an infinite loop. Because 10 to 1, it should be in a decreasing order. But it is in increasing order, n plus plus, hence it is an infinite loop. Okay. Based on the n value is greater than not and we are increasing it. And in this option B, why does infinite? Option B, why infinite? Sir, class is a because a lot we can start a new class. Sir, class is because a lot can we start a new class. Unable to get you what you are asking, Swagat. In the second one, because n value is updated. Option C, because always the option 12 by 10. Yes, n value is not updated over here, so it is always 12. So it is an infinite loop. Option C. Why option C? Acha, buffering, sir. B is in infinite loop. Rajesh, sir, give before you can please check it. अच्छा ठीक है. Buffering not because. Okay, let me check. If everyone is saying it is buffering, let me check. Check me exit streaming. The stream can be accessed. Okay, I'm restarting it again. Just check it out. Just check it out now. Here it is giving the strength. N value is not updated, only used. Okay. But in case of C, N value is updated. Okay. In case of B, N value is not updated. But in case of C, N value is updated. But still why it is infinite loop? In C, the condition true constant is given. Good. Because the constant is given in the loop true, hence it is okay. Assertion and reason. You people have requested for assertion and reason, so this is the question. Go for it. Assertion. You will answer like this. Assertion, first of all, you will answer whether assertion is true or false. Thereafter, you will tell in your answer reason is true or false. After that, you will specify me the option A, B, C, D. Understood everyone? How I need the answer? I need the answer. First, you will answer question number 8. Assertion is true or false. Then you will answer reason is true or false. After that, you will mention A, B, C, D. Okay, quickly do this. First, tell me the assertion. Tell me the assertion part. Tell me the assertion part. Whether it is true or false. It says that the for loop is described as a finite loop. Talking about for loop. And while loop is described as unknown or indefinite iterative construct. Construct means operation. A is true. Okay. A is true. If assertion is true, go for reason. Go for reasoning. Assertion is true. Assertion is true. And reason is true. Okay. While directly Boolean constant true is given. Acha, got it. Assertion is true. Okay. Reason. You cannot use while loop for menu driven program. You cannot use while loop for menu driven program. True or false? Reason is false. Okay. Option A. Both A and B are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. Rosmin, I think it is your first answer. Rosmin, I think it is your first answer, beta. Reason is false. Reason is false. Reason is false. Reason is false. Assertion A is true. Reason is false. Final answer is C. Swagat. Assertion is true because for loop yes is true for how many times? Good. Swagat. Correct explanation. Good, correct explanation. Reason is option C. Assertion is true but R is false. Okay. Assertion is true but reason is false. Yes. You cannot use while loop for menu driven program because at least I need to iterate, execute it for one time. At least I need to display the menu one time irrespective of the condition. Sir, I had replied before from my Dada's Google account. Anuj Kumar. Okay, let me check. But still, good job. Correct answer for assertion and reason. Next one. Do while loop is a post-tested loop. Reason, the block of code will always run at least once even if the condition is false from the start. A is true since we use the loop when we know how many times to iterate and while loop when we don't know how many times to execute. Good explanation, Rajesh. Let me complete as quick as possible. We'll do the program also. Beta, make it fast. Make it fast, beta. Option A is the answer people used to say. Option A, option A, option A. That means both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation for A. Yes, you all are correct. You all are correct. If anybody wants any explanation, don't hesitate. Feel free to ask. अगर आप लोगों को डाउट है, कोई आंसर दे रहा है बट आपको समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, तो feel free to ask because this is the platform to learn. So don't hesitate. So option A is the correct answer because assertion is true, reason is true, and reason is perfectly explaining the assertion. Hence, option A is the correct answer. Overall, option A. Assertion is true because post-tested means at the end reason reflects only. Hence, option A is true. Good. True and false. Identify the false statement. Which one of the following is a false statement? Which one of the following is a false statement? Then C. Only initialization and condition is optional in the for loop. Okay. Option C. C and D. Good. Subramsu. Pravanjan C. Vaisali C. Arushi C. Curly bracket are not mandatory even if there is only one statement in do while loop. Sahil says 10. C. D also. C. Pragjyoti, can you cross check your answer? Ansita, C and D. Swagat, C and D. Vaishali, now you have given C and D. Huh? But initially you had given C only. Akhil C, check. This is also false. Here this one is true. A loop can execute only one statement. If I want to execute more than one statement, it has to be enclosed within. Loop can execute a statement or statements n number of times. Depending on the loop condition, it will execute. Only initialization and condition is optional in for loop. No. Already I have shown you initialization, condition and updation. All three are optional. Okay. So C is false. Next D. Curly bracket are not mandatory, it is asking. If there is only one statement in do while loop. In case of do while loop, the syntax says that do, then we are bound to put curly bracket, then statement, then close the curly bracket, then while condition. So syntax is most vital. While within parenthesis condition and semicolon. Hence this is also false. So answer is option C and D. Answer is option C and D. Okay. So because it is buffering a lot today because of the weather, false optional. अच्छा got it Rajesh. The spelling mistake, typing कोई problem नहीं है, typing में होता है ऐसा. Because it is buffering a lot. Good night to all of you. प्रोग्राम नहीं हो पाएगा आज. After this class I will give a pull. After this class I will give a pull. That is in your community. You will specify what you want in the next live class. Okay. Good night. Good night. Which question you like most? कौन सा क्वेश्चन आपको सबसे अच्छा लगा? Thank you. Thank you. Which question you found most tricky, most interesting? Vishal says question number 8. Okay. Assertion and reason, Vaisali. 9-10 was assertion reason. Good night, sir. The assertion reason and the loop output. Okay. Good. Okay, assertion, reason and output, Rajesh. Pravanjan say question number 6 he liked most. Anushka Parida says question number 4 he liked. Assertion, reason. Sir, 6. Okay, let me see which one you felt most tricky. Which one you felt most tricky one? Sir, please specify the string MCQ in community. Okay, definitely I will specify. Actually मैं भूल ही गया था. MCQ on string. अच्छा हुआ याद दिला दिया, कम्युनिटी में वो डाल दूंगा मैं. विशाल को क्वेश्चन भी अच्छा लगा 6, ट्रिकी भी 6 लगा. अच्छा, वैशाली को भी 6, क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 अच्छा लगा. Find out the error case में. That was question number 6 was find out error. Sahil को 6. Okay, fine. Thank you. Good night to all of you. That's all for today's class. Anushka 6. Maximum student are saying 6. Okay.